Mashallah, recording once again. Assalamualaikum viewers of Shiane, Chicago. See, this is the dearest called Lily. ये लिली है और ये देखिए हम कितने खूबसूरत नेचर सेंटर में, ये बिल्कुल मेरे घर के साथ लगा हुआ है. This is so beautiful. This is Koki, downtown Chicago. और आप देख रहे हैं लाइव हमारी प्यारी हिरनी डियरेस्ट लिली को. Hi Lily, you kind of came back, you know. She actually come back after an year, and she came back here to give birth to the fawns or something. Newborns might be coming. क्योंकि इसने दिए थे 2 years ago, 2 beautiful fawns. और मैंने उनके नाम भी रखे थे, Rosemary and Marigold. Yeah, she's watching me.
With the eye, with the beautiful eye.
Yes, it is dearest. Dearest always have beautiful eyes, and she itself is so beautiful. Lily, how are you? How are you doing, dear? You're actually a dearest, so we can call a dearest. So this is a beautiful dearest here at Emily Oaks Nature Center near my house. Exactly, it's in my neighborhood. This is a beautiful nature center. Here is a lake too, a beautiful lake. Viewers, you can see this, how green, how beautiful this is. And this is a dinner time for my Lily. She's eating fresh leaves और ये enjoy कर रही है अपना dinner time. So you can watch her. She has given 2 fawns to us in this Emily Oaks Nature Center. That they keep running, they come back and they go back and forth, touch and go they are doing. So this year Lily came back again. I think she wants to give birth again because I'm not sure, I'm not an expert, but she looks like that. She is so beautiful. Lily, hi Lily. See, she responds because I have given her a name, Lily, and her fawns, Marigold and Rosemary. 2 fawns she gave birth 2 or 3 years ago. So this is a beautiful dearest. Hi Lily. ये आपको शिकागो में दिखते रहते हैं खूबसूरत डियर. यहाँ गाय, भैंसे, बकरी, मुर्गी, कौवे ये नहीं दिखते हैं खूबसूरत हिरन और दिखते हैं खूबसूरत खरगोश, बहुत सारे खरगोश. और इसीलिए हमारे एयरपोर्ट का नाम शिकागो इंटरनेशनल का ओहेयर इंटरनेशनल है. मीन्स hare means the wild rabbit, a wild boar. See, she is going again, once again. Beautiful Lily is eloping inside the wood once again. Woo. I'm gonna zoom it so you can see how beautiful she is, eating beautiful fresh leaves. This is a dinner time for her. Okay, bye Lily. Meet you again. See you again. Bye bye. Ta ta. Ciao. Allah Hafiz.